Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom, making a quick video. Beef and broccoli. Some oil in. I have this 12 ounce of the flank steak, thinly sliced. I marinated with 2 tablespoons of beaten egg and 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch and drizzle some sesame oil. If you want to check out how to marinate the meat, go to my channel. Once I add the beef in, I let them brown a little bit before I give them a quick stir. It's very simple, quick to make. We have to cook the protein first because this is nice and cold. We want to bring up to a warm, hot temperature. The beaten egg and cornstarch will help them to brown easier and give them a better texture and more flavor. Okay, here we're gonna add in some broccoli. Let them have a little oil there. I've tipped my frying pan toward the broccoli, and then I'm gonna cook the broccoli. Asian cooking, you always want to cook while the temperature is still hot. Okay, now I can mix it together. You see? As long as you can hear the sizzle sound, you're good. Okay, now, ginger, garlic, eyeball it. While your pot and pan is hot, cooking wine, dashi. At this time, should be smell amazing. See? Beautiful. Beautiful. Some hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is sweet. Oyster sauce, balance the flavor. Like that. And a little soy sauce for sodium. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah? Excellent, excellent. My daughter just come back from the chair. She wants something to eat. So that's how we do it. And we're gonna add some little stock, not much. Just a little water in. Oh yeah, look at that. Beef and broccoli. Now the beef is tender. Inside still a little rare, it's okay. Here we go. The beef and broccoli are done. Turn off the fire. Ready to eat. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.